just wanted to stop by quickly and share a frequently asked question that I personally get a lot from Sugar users. And I also have found that a lot of Sugar users don't know about this capability on your dashboard, and that's adding a pre-built report. So what you're looking at right here is the dashboard for Linda Holiday. And Linda wants to send her manager the quarterly sales report at the end of every quarter, but she wants to keep an eye on it every day. And she wants to take a look at it whenever she logs in to Sugar. So we're going to add that by going to add a dashlet, which you might be familiar with. And then I just type in report. And you can click Report Dashlet, and this will put on your dashboard any reports you've built and saved. So I'm going to select the sales report for the quarter. You can view it in a chart, a data table, or select a filter if you're looking at like a certain time frame. I'm going to go with data table. And then you can auto refresh it as often as you want. We'll do every 2 hours. I'm going to save that. It's going to bring me back to Linda's dashboard. And now you have right here that report that Linda can look at daily to keep track of before she submits it at the end of the quarter. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.